And I pray for every ghetto youth. Rasta 263. Universal Father, bless everything that their hands touch. Guide them every step of the way. Babylon's system has tempted many to cut corners, but Jah, show the youth another way. Open their minds, open their eyes. Keep the demon of betting far away from your children. Teach them that honest work has reward. Every penny, every dollar, every shilling, every zig, bless it, multiply it. Let their labor never be in vain. Jah, hear our prayer. They have big dreams. They carry dreams too big to leave unfinished. Some carry their younger brothers, some carry their younger sisters. Some dream of better homes, some dream of driving Porsches, some dream of Lamborghinis. But Father, the load upon their shoulders is heavy. Help them carry it, walk beside them, never leave them. I pray, oh Jah, Jah Jehovah, protect them from Babylon's system. Show them a way, give them wisdom, give them direction. They never asked to be born into this cruel world. Guide them, Jah, guide them, Jah. Remove every distraction. Some are raising families, some are paying school fees. Some have no parents, some sleep beneath bridges. Some call the streets their home, some hide their pain inside the bottle. Have mercy, Father, mercy, Jah. Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy. It hurts to be called a street kid. I never knew my mother.
What about my father?
Guide us, Jah,
Protect us, Jah.
we are your children.
Guide my brother.
He is all I have.
Walk beside him.
Protect my sister. May peace live in her heart. Keep I and I protected from Babylon's tricks and adversity. Give us strength to carry on. Jah, Rastafari. Make me an instrument of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me plant love. Where there is fear, let me plant hope. Where there is darkness, let me carry light. I place my brothers and sisters in your hands. Protect them from dangerous roads. Protect them from evil company. Heal every broken heart, especially those who lost their mother or father. Let them remember you are our universal Father. Father to the fatherless, defender of widows. That is Jah, we come before you. Bless the work of our hands.
Give us wisdom.
Give us patience.
Give us strength.
Bless our labor. Bless our families.
Bless our future.
Protect us from danger, seen and unseen. No weapon formed against us shall prosper.
Have mercy, Jah.
Mercy, Jah.
Have mercy.
Mercy. Father, thank you for your endless love. Open my eyes, soften my heart. Help me recognize those who truly care for me. Remove loneliness from my spirit. Help me appreciate the family and community around me.